Evacuations were ordered after the Cranston wildfire in Idyllwild, California, spread from 25 acres to 800 acres in just a few hours on Wednesday. San Bernardino National Forest officials first posted the fire on Twitter at 1:02 p.m. Eastern Time. By 1:38 p.m. Eastern Time, the fire had grown 8 times its size to an estimated 200 acres with a rapid rate of spread, according to a San Bernardino National Forest tweet. Mandatory evacuations were ordered for southwest Idyllwild, and officials tweeted that residents should leave the area immediately. At 2:54 p.m. PT, the San Bernardino National Forest tweeted that the fire spread to 800 acres. Highway 74 between Cranston Fire Station and Lake Hemet and Highway 243 between Pine Cove and Mountain Center were also closed. Idyllwild was experiencing temperatures in the triple digits, and the National Weather Service issued an excessive heat warning on Tuesday through 8:00 p.m. PT on Thursday. Rebecca Miller from the San Bernardino National Forest told Patch that the fire was 0% contained as firefighters from the United States Forest Service, Riverside County Fire Department, and Cleveland National Forest assisted in fighting the blaze. Miller added that the cause of the fire is currently being investigated.